Welcome back to another episode of MRP Easy Manufacturing Podcast. Today we talk about how UK bioreactor manufacturer cultivates growth with MRP software, creating biotech equipment to free up scientists' time. OGI Biotec is a growing biotech startup founded in Edinburgh, Scotland, just 4 years ago. The company was born out of a breakthrough invention, a modular bioreactor designed to automate and optimize the culturing of bacteria in fermentation processes. Their flagship product, the OGI-3 modular reactor, is already making waves. It's used by both university labs conducting microbial research and commercial clients running industrial fermentation. By automating early-stage bacterial culturing, the system accelerates data collection and reduces manual labor, freeing up scientists to focus on discoveries instead of monitoring equipment. Thanks to its competitive price point and modular design, the OGI-3 is ideal for labs looking to scale without sacrificing precision. Today, the startup is ramping up production while keeping its team lean. Their mission is simple but powerful: help researchers generate better microbial data, faster and more efficiently, committing to manufacturing software early on. From the very beginning, OGI Biotech's team knew that ad hoc management tools wouldn't get them far. Using spreadsheets, notebooks, and phone calls to run a growing business simply wasn't sustainable. As they moved towards serial production, the founders realized they needed a unified system, something that could grow with the business without the cost or complexity of a full enterprise setup. They needed software that was intuitive, SME-friendly, and fast to implement. David Madison, operations director at OGI Biotech, recalls, "We needed something simple and easy to pick up, not a bespoke six-figure system that would take a year to deploy." Their search led them to MRP Easy, a cloud-based manufacturing ERP system designed specifically for small and medium-sized businesses. A two-team approach to implementation. Once they had selected MRP Easy, the team split the implementation into two parts. One team focused on manufacturing and procurement, while the other worked on CRM and sales orders. Over 6 months, they worked through demo videos, explored support documentation, tested features, and gradually adapted the system to their needs. By choosing to implement early, before processes became too complex, they avoided the pitfalls many SMEs face when software adoption is delayed. This early adoption also meant the team could build best practices around the system, reducing errors and boosting transparency from the start. A unified solution for production and stock. Today, with MRP Easy fully deployed, OGI Biotech manages its operations in a much more streamlined way. Sales quotes from the CRM flow directly into MRP Easy, where procurement, order management, and production all happen under one roof. David explains, "The moment a quote is confirmed, we load the data into MRP Easy. The system generates purchase and manufacturing orders, and we're off." This gives the team real-time visibility into material requirements and lead times. That's especially important when managing a complex product made of modular components. And while they're still developing their production planning approach, the foundation is in place and evolving as they go. David also highlights the responsive support from MRP Easy as a standout feature. "Anytime I've hit a problem, the help feature has been extremely useful. Support always replies within 24 hours, which is perfectly fine for our needs." The value of staff training. One of OGI Biotech's biggest takeaways? Train your team properly. David, who inherited the system from his predecessor, says he was able to get up to speed thanks to his background in operations and previous experience with large-scale ERP systems. Still, he emphasizes that structured onboarding is critical. While the documentation and videos are great, nothing beats having someone in the room you can bounce ideas off. In hindsight, he sees clear value in dedicated training sessions or consulting support during rollout. Learning a new material requirements planning system while managing day-to-day operations is a challenge that many small manufacturers will relate to. His advice? Take time to sandbox the system before going live. Make mistakes, try to break things, and ask questions early so you can eliminate inefficiencies before they become ingrained. Looking ahead, Pull-based production. Looking forward, OGI Biotec is planning to build a pull-based production system using Kanban-style material management to stay flexible and respond faster to customer demand. With MRP easy as the backbone of their operations, they're well on their way. That wraps up this episode of the MRP Easy Manufacturing Podcast. Thanks for tuning in. For more information about us, visit mrpeasy.com. See you next time.